Hi guys, I'm Oiti and I built Oiti, the world's first cursor for B2B and LinkedIn content. The core of Oiti is something I call a persona engine that is built of two separate things. First is a static identity document that sort of details exactly who you are, what your ICP is, who you want to reach, and their pain points, and that is created at the moment you're onboarded. So it's like a static snapshot of who you are today. And the second is something called transient memories, which is basically evolved memories through time, entities that are extracted as you interact with Oiti more and more, and it informs more and more beliefs about who you are, what you like, what you don't like, and yeah, this sort of feeds into this engine to create the content that we are going to create through for LinkedIn as of now. So I'm just going to speed run through this to show you what the UX is like and how quickly you can go from idea to final output. Just going to click find trending topics in my industry. Great. So based on everything it knows about me, it has already given me some suggestions of what we could look for. I'm just going to click this. Great. So as you can see, it has now come up with a bunch of articles and news or trending op-ed style posts on the LinkedIn algorithm. It's super cool. Cleverly influence. Okay, great. Let's just pick something and then click create content angles. Wait, so it now read the entire article pretty quickly, and now it's going to come up with content angles. So you can take multiple actions in one step. This is going to lead to very interesting possibilities over time, and I'm very curious how this is going to all work out. It's a super interesting problem. Yeah, so it actually takes in all the context that it has about you to sort of come up with, a bunch of ideas. Let's try this. So this is the mobile view. This is the desktop view, and let's let us do this thing. You might just say, cool. So it has started off with, it has created a piece of content that it thinks resembles the kind of content that I create a lot. Now, if you don't like this, obviously you can ask it to change it. For example, let's say I want to add a personal anecdote. So it's now going to go through my vault of personal narrative history that it has, and it's going to inject it into the content. Yeah, it says I generated 100 million views for CXOs, and I felt like shit, which I use shit a lot. So it is using a bunch of expletives like this, and it is also turning this into resource giveaway type post, which is something I do a lot. Anyway, so there's a lot more in here, including the context engine that sort of feeds into all of the content that's going on here. It's right here, you can edit it, and there's a bunch more coming. So excited to see what you guys create with this, and if anybody wants access, let me know. Happy to share it.